Hey, what's up guys? This is MJ100K. Today I want to do a tool review video for one of my favorite tools. It is the DEWALT 8-volt gyroscopic screwdriver. Don't worry, I'm not sponsored and there are no links, so I have no financial incentive to share this video with you. I just want to share it with you because it's one of my favorite tools. I don't actually use it that often, but when I do, I enjoy it and it works pretty good. So I'm going to tell you about it right now. So this is my concept here. Okay, for contracting, I have big drills, middle-sized drills, and a little drill. And when I was a mechanic, I had a big 1/2 impact, the 3/8, and a smaller 3/8. So this drill is kind of like a little baby drill. It's like an infant drill, and it's for the little tiny projects, but it works really good. So these are the type of bits you could use with it. Regular bits, you could put a socket on there or a nut driver or a sleeve so you can get more reach with it. Here it is. I've used it for about a year. I do enjoy using it. I don't use it all that often, to be honest, but like I said, when I do use it, it works pretty good. So let's see it gyro. All right, this is the best part of this drill, so check this out. You just hold the button, right, and you lean it to one direction and it'll start spinning in that direction, and you lean it to the other direction, it'll start spinning the other direction, and it's sensitive to how far you lean it. So when you lean it just a little, it'll move real slow, and when you lean it a lot, it'll go faster. And also it adjusts, so you could make it to where it's really straight, or you could also have it in a regular gun shape. So that's pretty handy. Yeah, see, look at that gyro. What do you know about the gyro action? It's a cool little thing. So let's see it when I actually used it. Alright, let's see it in action. So I use it for like doorknobs sometimes, where you have these real fine thread screws and take forever to hand drill them, but you could zip them in and out. I also use it for electrical outlet covers or electrical outlets. It is really good. It has a nice control, and you could go out and then you just move it, go right back in. You know, it does come in handy. It comes in handy more when I'm doing furniture. Sorry I don't have a video of that, but yeah, all that furniture with the particle board, you could go out and in. Sometimes you're not in a perfect orientation, so you could kind of move out and adjust it and then move it back in. So yeah, I like it. And like I said, you got the mama bear, papa bear, mama bear, baby bear drills, and this is the infant bear. I looked on the internet. I didn't see any other screwdrivers with the gyro action. They just have regular screwdrivers. I used to have this $9 drill. I got it from Harbor Freight years ago, and it worked for a little while. I had it when I was a mechanic, but then it just stopped working one day, so forget that one. And this red one, compared to Roby, why would you compare to Roby? Shouldn't you compare to something good? Roby's terrible too. Compare yourself to something good, Bauer or whoever you are. And this is this thing, I don't know. I guess this will work, but it doesn't have a gyro action. So, you know, I mean, some of the comments weren't too great about it either. It says it's not magnetized. I think this guy's just using the wrong type of bit in there, but whatever. And yeah, I mean, I don't know. I guess it'll work. I'd rather not waste my money on it. I just get the good one. And Bosch has one too. This one doesn't gyro, but it looks like if you push it forward, it'll start drilling. Like it doesn't gyro though, so I need that gyro. You know what I mean? I'm used to it now, and I will accept nothing less. If it doesn't gyro, it doesn't go. So here are the pros. It's lightweight, is durable, and it has a good battery life. The battery life is excellent on it. You don't only have to charge it once in a while. I guess it is good for outlets, covers, cabinets, doorknobs, IKEA furniture, and toys. The price is a little high though, but you know, if you spend the extra $10 compared to the Bosch one, I think you'll enjoy the Gyro. So, thanks for watching. Have a good one.